You know, experimental research is a powerful tool to understand cause and effect relationship. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I am very good.
Okay, ma'am. Why it is necessary to demonstrate the science practically?
So, by demonstrating, the students can learn very easily. Like today, I am explaining this DNA structure, and according to CBSE norm, we can learn easily when we see the visuals rather than just listening or just someone saying. We can, when we see the visuals, we can understand the concept very clearly and we can understand very easily. Like this is the structure of DNA. DNA, as you know, the full form of DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid, which is the genetic material of our body. It carries the genetic information which are transferred from parents to the offspring. Like your parents carry the DNA and which is transmitted to your body. It transmitted by the father and the mother. And in the DNA, this yellow part is the phosphate, which is the sugar, phosphate and the sugar. And this red or this part, which are the small bone-like structure, this is called the nitrogenous base, which is adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. In adenine and guanine, there are the bonds, double bond, and in the cytosine and thymine, there are the triple bonds. And these bonds are of hydrogen bond. Like in DNA, there are only three main components: phosphate, pentose sugar, and nitrogenous base. What are the basic components of DNA? Phosphate sugar, nitrogenous base, and the sugar, pentose sugar. This yellow part is the phosphate group and the sugar, and these parts, which are the intermediate of this DNA, these are the nitrogenous base. And other experiment which I am demonstrating is this specimen. Now, why this specimen is important? Because by this seeing the specimen, you can easily learn the structure and everything about this creature. This is the leech. This is the structure of leech. When you want to study the identical features of leech, you can just pick up the specimen and you can study the all the feature about this leech. Now there are many samples, like this is the rohu, labia rohuta. This is the sepia. This is the cycas, which is plant in our garden also. These are the phyla. And how this are made? These are made by the using this chemical known as formalin. Like if you want to make some specimen like this, you can just add the dead animal in this bottle and add the formalin into the formalin help to preserve the body of dead animals. Thank you.